Welcome to the introduction of our master's program, Geoinformatics for Urbanized Society. This 120 credit strong master's program is taught here at the Department of Geography. My name is Alex and I'm a research fellow in Geoinformatics here, and I'm teaching and conducting research in the chair of Geoinformatics and Cartography here at the Department of Geography. In line with your aspirations, I've acquired my degrees as well in international study programs. I've also work experience from industry and research organizations before on topics like spatial data infrastructures, visualization, distributed data processing for hydrological and environmental data. The central focus of our master's program is to provide integrated education in GIS and spatial processes in urbanized society. We want to equip you with the skills and knowledge to understand and develop and work towards data-supported solutions to global challenges such as the changing climate. And we also align our topics with the UN SDGs. So we need urban planning to address urban poverty and segregation, migration and health crises. One of the hallmarks we strive to is to uniquely combine geography and IT, where you will learn all about spatial processes in urban environments and at the same time practice the required skills in data processing and analysis. The courses touch on society, the environment, GIS of course, and on more technical methods like programming and advanced data processing and modeling. Many course-related projects and eventually also your master thesis are directly related to research-based studies. We really like to emphasize the integration of the coursework and the thesis projects with our labs and research teams. On our website, you can get the latest info on the Mobility Lab, the Center for Migration and Urban Studies, Landscape Geoinformatics Lab, the Environmental Technology Lab, and more. The studies and research projects you can work on here really encompass the whole journey from data collection and analysis to modeling to support decision-making. This includes data collection and management, spatial data analysis, and visualization and cartography to finally present the results to inform planning purposes. As a part of the teaching and learning environment, we really like to enable you to work on open source and proprietary software, so you're ready to start off your career. You get hands-on experience on many practical workloads like lab-based approach with hands-on and active learning. So not only learning and reading, but also computer programming and technical work with big data tools and databases. We focus on open GIS standards and formats and web services. You can work on sensor networks, data mining, visualization. Now, we would like to show 3 example projects that students have developed during their thesis. In this example work from the course Spatial Data Studio, the student designed a database to estimate people and infrastructure exposed to earthquakes. For that, he used building footprints, earthquake data, and other urban data sources and modeled the earthquake's impact on the built-up infrastructure. In this example, the student worked in the course Planning project, and the students integrated urban data sets and various mobility modes, such as walking by foot and the Tartu bike sharing system, to better understand the mobility and accessibility, and to propose a new school zone planning. They were also invited to present the outcomes to the Tartu City Council. And in this last example, from the course Geospatial Analysis with Python and R, the students applied various interpolation methods, visualized spatial phenomena such as temperature and crime occurrence in static and interactive maps. The Urban GIS Masters programs feature also so-called mobility semester. We have partnerships with many universities in Europe and scholarship programs, so you can experience studying 1 semester abroad. This is usually the 3rd semester. These so-called Erasmus exchanges are very popular with the students, as they give a chance to experience more of Europe's diversity and that universities that have additional specialities. Partners include Salzburg in Austria, Palacký University in Czechia, and many other universities in Europe. There are also many summer schools and conferences that students can attend, be it in Tartu in Estonia or in the Baltics, or with partner universities. Many of these activities can be combined with coursework, and you can collect extra credits. Another central pillar of career readiness of our master's program is the internship. We have strong partnerships with companies in Estonia and beyond, and will make sure you get a good placement that puts your skills into practice and you can learn valuable industry experience. Classic partners include the Statistical Office, using national spatial databases, and other companies in Tartu. We can proudly say that most, if not all of our alumni have found their next successful career steps, be it in industry or even starting a PhD. Often in Estonia directly, Tartu and Estonia provide a reliable and livable working environment. And last but not least, a few glances at our community and the student life here with us. Here you can see the Department of Geography building and our cozy coffee room, where students and staff share lunches and coffee and events. We have the Christmas party and department birthdays and more. You can also just hang out and do your homeworks or chat and chill with your friends. The department also organizes a variety of events for the students, including the annual career day, ski seminars, our research fair where you can connect with the research labs and where you can find interesting master thesis topics. We start the academic year together too. The academic kickoff meeting comes with snacks and infos and a get-together of professors, junior staff and students. We take some nice photos in front of the building and get ready for the next academic semester. During the master course, you will also be able to participate in several in- and outdoor lab activities, such as topographic fieldwork. You can work in our computer class, or if you have more specific research interests, work with one of our labs, where you can do environmental data analysis, soil, the greenhouse gases. And to conclude our introduction, I can only summarize that Tartu is a really cozy student town. It is beautiful in summer and in winter. Also, everything in downtown is accessible by foot within 10 to maximum 15 minutes walk. From the dormitories to the shopping center, the university buildings, and all the beautiful cafes and restaurants. Thank you very much for your interest, and we are looking forward to having you.